Uh-huh.
Space from my memory. And then a moonshine keeps walking up into memory.
Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want you guys to cook with me as I will be making egusi. So in here I've already put my meat before I thought of recording for you guys. So you guys should stay tuned and see the end result of my egusi. This is a Southy babe preparing egusi soup. So in here I have my chicken, I have my beef, and I also have more, even though the pomo that I have inside here is not much. But yeah, so this is what I'll be working with for today. And here by the side I have my chili, what you guys call pepper. I have my powdered chili here, and here I have my ugu, this leaves that I'm gonna be using here, and here I have my crayfish, and here is my egusi. So you guys should stay tuned, watch till the end, and tell me, teach me, correct me. I'm not a Nigerian lady, but you know the vibes. So here guys, stay tuned, watch till the end, and rate me out of 10. Tell me how I did, and also you feel free to correct me like on the comment section. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys somewhere here on the corner to watch me cook. So guys, while I do, I want to be sipping my wine while I prepare my egusi. And guys, so I heard that, never mind that you're not seeing my face, just pretend you know this face you're used to eat, ne? So I heard that Yorubas and Igbos, they prepare their egusi differently. So let's start there, right? So with the Yorubas, if I stand to be corrected. So with the Yorubas, it is said that they actually prepare it the way I'm about to prepare it on the side, then mix later, right? So that's what I'm about to do. I'm not sure about the Igbos. So yeah, I'll be having Robertson. Let's be advertising for them until the right time. I won't be showing that this is what I'm drinking. You'll just see me drink without showing you my drink. So yeah, I'm gonna be cooking it the cling cling. I'm gonna be cooking it the Yoruba way, guys. So it's so chilled, it's so cold, it's so nice. So I'm gonna be cooking it the Yoruba way. So I realized that I ran out of red oil. So I sent somebody to buy for me. So here I'll be making my egusi. I'll show you guys how I prepare it. So I'm still waiting for red oil. So here, this is my meat still parboiling here. So yeah, so I'm gonna do the whole thing of mixing after, right? I'm not gonna put my egusi in here, though I also know that method of putting everything once, like in a pot, right? But today we are using the separate one. So stay tuned. In the meantime, take your own drink and be sipping with me. Cling. Okay, so while we wait for the red oil, I'm thinking I should be preparing the egusi here. So here I have my water. For those who doesn't know, for all of you that know, your own is to correct me. So here is my egusi. So I'm just gonna go ahead, open and pour the quantity that I want. So yeah, in the process, I'm gonna fast forward this so that you don't have to just watch. I like my egusi thick, so I'm gonna put a bit more because I want it thick. And yeah, so here is the mixture that I'm gonna stir. It looks watery, right? So for me, it doesn't matter if it's watery or it's thick. So far I've mixed. Like I said, though, I'm not a Nigerian woman, I'm a Saudi babe. I dey do it my own way, I beg. No vex, so but I do allow correction. So this is it. I have stirred it already. I'm just gonna leave it. It's fine for me. The consistency is fine like this. I don't want to make it thick. I feel like it's already too much. So but you will see it when I fry it, because I'm gonna fry it. And yeah, so I feel like it's okay like this, the consistency. I hope you guys can see. Let me check the camera. Yeah, this is it. So this is it. I like the consistency the way it is. I wouldn't want to pass here. I wouldn't want it to be more thicker than here. So you'll see it when I fry it. So as we wait for our red oil, so sometimes I do put a bit of Maggi for it to taste, but today I'm not gonna be putting it. So yeah. Okay guys, so now we have our red oil. Like I said, I ran out of it, so quickly went to get it and it's here now. So I'm gonna go ahead now and prepare my egusi. Okay. And as usual, to top it up, guys, see what I'm snaking on. This one will make you understand, say, I be Niger babe. No be by blood, though. No be by blood. Show una the see am. No be by blood. So yeah, guys, let's go. Let's prepare this. Okay, so I'm heating up my oil here. Our meat is still boiling. Our meat is still boiling. Let me show you guys the meat. Our meat is still boiling. Here I'm heating up our oil, and here is our egusi that we're about to make. So I've decided to add a bit more to thicken it. So yeah, this is how thick it is.
More music on trendybeats.com.
Everybody knows say, oh, mommy, I know the lie. You and video. Everybody knows say, oh, mommy, I know. Everybody knows say, oh, mommy, I know. Okay guys, so it's that time. As you guys can see, our egusi is set. So now, like I said, me, I'm doing it. I heard that this is the Yoruba way. I don't know. Maybe Igbos do it like this, but I heard that Igbos, they put it straight into the pot and stuff. Like I said, I've tried that method before. So now this is me transferring the egusi here. So you guys should watch. It nearly bent, guys. Imagine. But we can still work with that. So here I've put everything, guys. I've already put my crayfish. I've already put everything. As you can see, it's done already. So we go ahead and mix it. Ooh, this looks nice. This looks nice. And I know already it will taste as nice as it looks. So I'm gonna let it simmer. I'm gonna reduce the heat and let it simmer a bit, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, and it will be done. I'm gonna serve it with semolina. Let me show you guys inside the pot. This is how our egusi looks like, guys. Is this not perfect? Oh, this is how it looks. Just rate it from here. I beg you. Rate it from here. You can see the bomo there. You can see the chicken. You can see the beef. Woo! I can't wait. I can't wait to dig in. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna let it simmer for like 5 to 10 minutes, and just for the juicy egusi to enter inside the meat well. So yeah, guys. Woo! Okay, guys. So our egusi is set. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Look at the chicken. Look. Our egusi is perfecto. So now I'm about to make semolina. So I'm gonna place you guys here. So we're about to make semolina. Like I said, the egusi is ready. Egusi is set. Here we are making semo. Guys, I did not show you the stick I use. So this stick, I don't think you guys have it in Nigeria. So this helps smoothen the semo or pap, the South African pap or whatever. This is what I use, and this is what I use. It's very quick. Like it makes the semo or the pap to be very smooth. It will not have lumps. You know, all those small lumps. It will not have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a straight one to smoothen it. So this is the flat one that I'm going to use to smoothen it. Okay, guys, so here is the end result of our egusi. Isn't it looking nice, guys? Like, look at it. No, look at don't you with what do they call it, bad belly people? No, come and talk nonsense. So I try. Almost see oh, see the same. No lumps. Like I said, that stick helps to kill all the lumps. So this is not food for one person. No, don't be surprised and say so much food. So yeah, guys, this is the end result of our egusi. I hope I tried. So if you feel like I tried, do leave a comment, and also do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.